Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So here we are going to resume our discussion on basic mathematics and we'll continue our discussion on quadratic equations, solving quadratic equations. So far we have discussed two methods of solving quadratic equation. First, the factorization method. Second, the completing the square method. And we discussed a lot of questions on it. So in this video we are going to discuss a new method which is solving quadratic equations through the quadratic formula method. So here we are going to discuss a formula and then we'll go for the mathematical derivation of the formula. Okay, the quadratic formula method. So let us say we have a quadratic equation. Okay, the basic format is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the basic format of quadratic equation where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c they are real numbers. Okay, now let us say we write it as, that implies ax square plus bx is equal to minus c. Okay, we do this, ax square plus bx is equal to minus c, and then we divide a on both sides. Okay, so we have ax square plus bx by a is equal to minus c by a. So here we have divided a on both sides. So we have ax square by a plus bx by a is equal to minus c by a. That implies x square plus b by a x is equal to minus c by a. Now let us write this as x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a. So if we write this b by ax as 2 into x into b by 2a, it is the same thing. Okay, 2 into x into b by 2a, that becomes b by ax. There is nothing wrong with that. Okay, this as this. So why we are doing it? Because we want to convert it into a whole square form, something plus something whole square, a plus b whole square form. So now we have to add b by 2a whole square. So b by 2a whole square, and also in order to balance on both sides we will add b by 2a whole square. Okay, so that implies here we have this is x plus b by 2a whole square. Okay, x plus b by 2a whole square. This entire thing, it is x plus b by 2a whole square, and this is equal to minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. Okay, b square plus 4a square. So that implies x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, we take 4a square common, it is here a gets cancelled, so we have minus 4ac plus b square, or we can write it as b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Okay, this. So that implies x plus b by 2a is equal to root over of this much b square minus 4ac by 4a square, which is equal to plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by root over of 4a square is 2a, this much. Okay, so here we have to find the value of x to get the roots of the quadratic equation. So that implies x is equal to minus b by 2a, taking this plus b by 2a on the other side, minus b by 2a plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a, or that implies x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Okay, this is the quadratic formula, and here as you can see there are two values of x. There are two values, okay, which are the roots of the quadratic equation. So here one of the values is, so we call them the values alpha and beta, the two roots. The two roots of the quadratic equation are alpha, which is equal to minus b minus whichever value you can take, minus b equal to b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the other value is minus b plus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, and here this b square minus 4ac, this is called as the discriminant, and it is expressed as d. It is called as discriminant. Okay, and is written as d. So we can write it as this, as the two values alpha is equal to minus b minus root over of d by 2a, and beta as minus b plus root over of d by 2a. So this will give you the two roots of the quadratic equation, the solution of the quadratic equation. So this is the mathematical derivation and this is the formula of the two roots. Okay, this gives us the quadratic formula for solving quadratic equations. So now this is the derivation. Now we will be solving a lot of questions on solving quadratic equations through this formula based approach. Okay, so this is the first question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. So the quadratic equation is given by 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have to solve it through quadratic formula method. So first let us write the quadratic equation. 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. Now here we have to find out the values of a, b and c. So the basic format of writing any quadratic equation, it is given by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if we compare these two, the standard format with the given quadratic equation, we will have a is equal to 9, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 2. Okay, this. Now we have to use the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula for the roots is alpha and beta, the two roots of the quadratic equation. It is given by minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where b square minus 4ac, this is called as the discriminant d. So it is equal to, if we put the values here, it will be equal to minus b, that is minus 7 plus minus root over of b square, that is 7 square minus 4, a is equal to 9, c is equal to minus 2 by 2a, that is 2 into 9, that is equal to minus 7 plus minus root over of 49 minus 9 into 4 is 36 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 72. So minus 72, it becomes plus 72 by 18. So this is equal to minus 7 plus minus root over of 121 by 18. This is equal to minus 7 plus minus 11 by 18. So it is equal to minus 7 minus 11 by 18 and minus 7 plus 11 by 18. So one is minus 18 by 18 and the other root is 4 by 18. So this is equal to minus 1 and this is equal to, if we cancel, it is 2 by 9. So the two roots of the quadratic equation, they are minus 1 and 2 by 9. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation. The two values of x, the two roots. Okay.